Good morning and welcome to Swan Island Dahlias. I'm Heather and this is Eric and we're part of the team here at Swan Island Dahlias. Today we're going to show you how to sharpen our dahlia dividing knives. We've had a lot of questions about how to sharpen them, what to use. So today we're just going to give you a quick video on what we recommend and what we use here at the farm. Eric is one of our foremen here at the farm and he's the best at sharpening. So we're going to let him show you how to do the sharpening. So if you've purchased one of these leather knife or a linoleum knife or something similar, this is what you're going to want to use to divide your dahlias, as the hook allows you to get into the center to divide a little easier. So he's going to show you how he does his sharpening. You're going to be looking for a metal file. You'll either find it at a hardware store or an auto parts store. This one, just for instance, came from a Napa Auto Parts. It's an 8-inch mill bastard file, medium cut. You're either looking for an XM8 or an MM8. Both are excellent for sharpening this type of knife. So we'll go ahead and let Eric get busy here. You can see this is how a knife starts out when you first purchase it. He's already started to sharpen this one this morning. And then this, we wear them down and get them to this point where we start using them in our cut flower field. So he'll sharpen this one also as we go here. So I'll let him take over and give you a little hint on sharpening if you haven't done it. He uses a piece of wood. Go ahead and start if you want. He uses a piece of wood to go ahead and use as a base to put the knife against. You can talk as you go.
Okay, so you just have to try to put the sharp knife, sharp part in the middle. So you're just gonna sharp like this until it gets thinner in this side. Then you just swap this knife to the other side and then do the same thing.
And you can see how it's getting nice and shiny, and that will be a very, very sharp blade. So it's really important to be careful after doing this.
I always like to test it. Just try like this and it feels it.
So that's how we recommend. And I would say, Eric, how often do we sharpen them? When we're dividing all day long on tubers, are we sharpening once a week usually? Are we sharpening?
I think you have to sharpen every day.
Every day?
Every day, yes.
So
when we start working, so every day at the morning time, we always sharpen them.
So if you're dividing, let's say 20 clumps, you might be fine just the one sharpening per season. If you're if you're dividing many clumps, let's say 50 or 100 clumps, you're probably going to be sharpening more often than not. So will you go ahead and sharpen on this little guy a little bit, just to give an idea. This is a much older knife, but like I said, we use these knives in our fields when we're doing cut flowers, as we love the knives instead of clippers when we're doing cut flowers. So we've given that knife a nice sharp edge. It's got some patina on it from being a little older, and it hasn't been sharpened for a while, but you can see that nice sharp edge. If you haven't purchased one of our dahlia dividing knives, we highly recommend it. It will make your life much easier. They are item number 820, or a dahlia dividing knife, on our website at dahlias.com. I'm Heather and this was Eric, and if you have any questions, give us a call or email us. But again, hopefully that helped you on how to sharpen your knife. Have a beautiful day.